Hi. We humans have this remarkable ability to overthink. We might be thinking about something that's about to happen in the future, or perhaps keep thinking about something that's happened in the past. And sometimes we're not able to break free from it. So here's a simple exercise that you can try to stop that overthinking temporarily. The key is to follow my instructions with your eyes closed and imagine everything that I'm saying as vividly as possible. So you can visualize something as vividly, like realistically, or perhaps you can imagine it as Ghibli art. The key is visualization. Visualize it in any way that brings you a sense of calm and peace. So let's give this a try. Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Imagine you're sitting by the side of a gently flowing stream, and there are leaves flowing past on the surface of the stream. Imagine it however you like, it's your imagination. Now, for the next few minutes, take every thought that pops into your head, place it on a leaf, and let it float on by. Do this regardless of whether the thoughts are positive or negative, pleasurable or painful. Even if they're the most wonderful thoughts or the most anxious ones. Place them on a leaf and let them float on by. If your thoughts stop, just watch the stream. Sooner or later, your thoughts will start up again. Allow the stream to flow at its own rate. Don't speed it up. You're not trying to wash the leaves away. You're just allowing them to come and go in their own good time. If your mind says, "This is stupid, I can't do this," place those thoughts on a leaf as well. And watch it float by. If a leaf gets stuck, let it hang around. Don't force it to float away. Allow them to gently float. If a difficult feeling arises, such as boredom or impatience, simply acknowledge it. Say to yourself, "Here's a feeling of boredom," or "Here's a feeling of impatience." Then place those words on a leaf and let them float by and out of your field of vision. From time to time, your thoughts will hook onto you and you will lose track of the exercise. This is normal and natural, and it will keep happening. As soon as you realize it's happened, gently acknowledge it and then start the exercise again. Visualize your thoughts being placed on the leaf, entering from the left visual field on the stream, floating by, and then exiting your field of vision from the right side. For example, if you have the thought, what will happen tomorrow in the presentation? Imagine those thoughts leaving your mind and being placed on the leaf in the left visual field. Now watch it closely, traveling from the left visual field on the stream gently to the center towards the right visual field and then exiting the view. Treat all your thoughts in this manner. And now, when you're ready, let's bring this exercise to an end. Sit up in your chair and open your eyes. Look around the room and notice what you can see and hear. And take a stretch. Once you've understood the instructions, I would want you all to practice it for 5 minutes every day. You can keep a timer on your phone and imagine your thoughts being placed on the leaf, entering and exiting. It's important to mention that this exercise is not a replacement for therapy. If you catch yourself overthinking over and over again about the past and the future, I think it's a good idea to reach out to a clinical psychologist for help and let's heal.